I'm going to show you how you can become an Amazon Flex driver on Canada. Now, the website specifically is a specific one. So it's flex.amazon.ca/let's-drive. You want to go to this website specifically to sign up on Canada. Now, on Canada, if you want to sign up, you want to tap on download the app to get started, you will need to download the mobile app. So you can download the app from here, right? So flex.amazon.ca/download app, and then it will be available on iPhone or on Android. You can get it there. Now, if you want to become one, you need to reserve a block, and then you can make your deliveries, and then you can get paid and enjoy life. Now, there are a couple of qualifications that you need to be before you can get accepted to Amazon Flex. I think some of them is that you need to be 21 years old, and you need to obviously own a vehicle to make deliveries. So make sure you actually sign up on this website specifically, because if you sign up on any other website, it won't be the Canada version. You need to sign up on the Canada version here. So flex.amazon.ca, let's drive, or you can just go ahead and go to your iPhone or to your Android, to your App Store or to your Google Play, and then just search up the app on your actual phone, and then it should automatically also adjust it based off your current region. So if you're actually on Canada, then it will show the actual Canadian version of the app as well.